So actually, I was the one who planned. So I was looking for wildlife expeditions, and I came across many, of course. Like I can tell you, there are so many on the net. So I came across many, but I chose Wilderlust exhibition just because of the name. It fascinated me, like Wilderlust. The name itself, says a lot.
So this is my first expedition of wildlife. And first time I experienced for such a long time and so many days. And really, it was very interesting. And we saw many animals over there, different birds, a lot of animals. And ultimately, after 3.5 days waiting for it, we could see the tiger. That's a great experience. That was in my life. I never saw a tiger in my life. And that was a swimming tiger. Crossed about 400 feet within 30 seconds. That was a great experience in my life.
So we came to know about this trip from the post in Insta. Otherwise also, since we have done a lot of land safaris, it was our dream to come to Sundarban and see a tiger, Royal Bengal Tiger swimming. So that fructified today.
It was a very beautiful, amazing and wonderful experience. And we were lucky to find a swimming tiger.
It was really like amazing, magical, mystical. It was even, I can say, it was like spiritual for me.
The forest here is very attractive and it's so dense. You can't see anything from the top. Only thing, we have to be through the roots nearly. You can hardly see anything inside. 5 feet inside is so dark, you can't see anything. So the entire thing was so amazing. It was attracting my eyes, my mind. It was so cool. It was a great experience for me.
So it was a different jungle, surrounded by water all over. So we have never seen such kind of jungle before. So it was altogether a new experience and a great experience to be in. So again, and it's a lush green, white, spread over like such a long area to be navigated.
Very peaceful and very different kind of experience. Very nice.
We also saw the many kind of kingfisher, brown one, the blue one, and many other types also, white spotted, and also lizard, what do you call it, monitor lizard, and crocodiles. Dolphins was a great experience. Snakes, yeah. The viper we could see.
Snake.
A beautiful viper we could see.
Spotted ears.
And
monkeys.
There were sandpipers and egrets, and if you come to the kingfishers, they were like brown kingfisher, collared kingfisher, and white-throated kingfisher, and yes, we saw this Brahmini kite also, and there were like few other like jungle fowls.
Animals like crocodiles we have seen.
Yeah, crocodiles.
Crocodiles we have seen, couple of crocodiles, very huge ones.
Yeah.
Very big ones. And iguanas, water lizards. We have 2 types of water lizards. One was dark and one was
Totally white.
it was the Royal Bengal Tiger swimming across, and we tried our luck for many sites, but first or second site we could not have. But finally, what was the greatest sight? We could sport Fuleshwari there and swimming all across, and we saw it all.
सब भूल गए थे कि वो क्या है. वो एक अलग ही एक्साइटमेंट से भर गए थे.
We saw the tiger crossing the canal. It just crossed in 30 to 40 seconds, I think.
and 400 meters of
Yeah, it was
river.
so fast, so swift. My goodness, like It was unbelievable. I just cannot explain. Like there were goosebumps, like for everybody on the boat, not only me.
Yeah, this Deccan resort is so beautiful, and it was very homely kind of stay which Ratan provided or the group provided. Uh, and good food, good stay, good rooms, and good connectivity. And overall ambience was good. Overall, surrounded by fields and all, a temple and all. So it was like as if we are staying at home. Everything was taken care of. Overall, very great experience.
ये रिसोर्ट अच्छा है, हमें घर जैसा ही लगा, हमें किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई यहाँ पर। और चंदन, उसकी टीम, सब लोग पूरा उनकी यही कोशिश होती थी कि हमें किसी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए। बार बार पूछते भी थे, कहते भी थे कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताना।
So the resort is really good. It's very clean, neatly maintained, huge rooms, I can say. They are very huge. I was actually surprised to see such big rooms, and all amenities are provided. There is everything here.
You can say it's 4-star resort.
Yeah.
It was excellent. In fact, it was very hospitable, and the resort he managed for us, and the boat in particular, and with all the good food and whatever we wanted, we had it. We troubled him well many a time with a lot of cups of tea and coffees, but he was never relenting. So we got whatever we wanted: the best of food, best of journey, best of boat experience, best of resort experience, and God bless Ratan and all.
हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा सबके साथ। जो बात हमारे मुंह से निकली वो पूरे टीम ने उसको पूरा किया। एक फिश की बात मुंह से निकली तो उन्होंने वो भी हमें खिलाई, टेस्ट कराई। और यहाँ की कलकत्ता की सब तरह की डिशेस जो फेमस हैं वो सब उन्होंने हमें टेस्ट कराई। उन्होंने कोशिश की कि यहाँ का जो कल्चर है उससे हम जुड़ पाएँ।
I don't have enough words to describe because the crew was amazing. Like the wonderful people, and of course Ratan, our guide, he did his, like he put his all his efforts, everything. Yeah,
He is excellent guide and very much mixable and cooperative and very much helpful, all the time smiling.
yeah.
संस्कृति के साथ तो अब एक रिश्ता सही हो गया है। वो फर्स्ट मीटिंग में ही जितने अपनेपन से वो बात कर रही थी, तो उसके बाद से तो सब बातें हम एक फैमिली मेम्बर की तरह करते थे। उसने अपनी चीज़ें शेयर की हमसे, हमने अपनी चीज़ें शेयर की, बहुत गप्पे मारी। और जहाँ जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती थी कि उस चीज़ की इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें होनी चाहिए सुंदरवन से रिलेटेड, तो वो बताती चलती थी। और उस टाइम पे वो खुद ही बहुत एक्साइटेड होती थी, तो हमें कुछ पूछना नहीं पड़ता था, उससे पता था कि हमें क्या पहले ही बता देना।
Yeah, again, like it was a very connected experience. She was able to explain, give introduction of the safari or the jungle as such, and she could brief us, and we got acquainted with the surroundings, and especially the way she was tracking the tiger. She was feeling connected with the tiger, and the whole scanning of the tiger, tracking of tiger, and finally getting it. It was very enchanting experience.
She's a wonderful girl. She's like all the time smiling. She's all the time with a smile plastered on her face.
Experience Sanskriti was really wonderful, and the crew and all the time telling her experience stories, where we have listened everything with patience and tried to ask her the experience of her in her life, because when from her childhood she was doing all this, and ours is the first expedition of wildlife.
She keeps sharing her story since she was 11 years, and that's how I got to know she's so passionate about tigers. And I don't think she is in this field just for opportunities or anything apart from just to be with the tigers.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.